Today's video dura about 8 minutes, and in that 8 minutes you're going to learn a fairly complicated structure really confidently. So you're going to be able to say voy a levantarme temprano. Vas a ducharte porque mi madre no va a ducharse. Nosotros vamos a acostarnos temprano. ¿Vosotros vais a ducharos? ¿Cuándo van a levantarse? So those structures really easily by the end of this 8 minutes. Stay to the end. Hola amigos, bienvenido a clase. Hoy quiero presentar cómo usar ir a, to be going to, with a reflexive verb, an infinitive reflexive verb. Es muy sencillo, bueno, es un poquito complicado, but you'll get used to it, okay, con la práctica. What we're going to do is, first of all, mirar unos verbos reflexivos. You need to learn the little particles that go before them. So, I get myself up is me levanto. You wash yourself, you have a bath is te bañas. So we've got me, te. He has a bath is se baña. Me, te, se. We go to bed. Nos acostamos. Nos, ¿vale? You wake up. When it's plural and it's in España, we have os despertáis. Okay? Ais. Os despertáis. So we have me, te, se, nos, os. Y finalmente, they get themselves up. Se levantan. Okay? Se again. Me, te, se, nos, os, se. Okay, te toca. ¿Cómo se dice? I get myself up. You have a bath. He has a bath. We go to bed. You all wake up. They get themselves up. Did you get them? Me levanto, te bañas, se baña, nos acostamos, os despertáis, se levantan. ¿Vale? El próximo paso is using that with ir a. So we have voy a, vas a, va a, vamos a, vais a, and van a. And then we're going to put the infinitive reflexive after that. Levantarme, or bañarme, or acostarme. If I'm talking about tú, then it will be levantarte, bañarte, acostarte. And if I'm talking about he or she or usted, or they, or ustedes, ellos, ellas, ustedes, those all use se, don't they? So we have levantarse, bañarse, acostarse, okay? And how it works with ir a, you have ir in the conjugated part of the verb, and then you have the infinitive with the right little particle after it. Let's have unos ejemplos that you try to do. Como digo, I'm going to have a bath. Voy a bañarme. Como digo, are you going to get up? Vas a levantarte. How about, is she going to have a bath? Va a bañarse. If I want to say, is Maria going to have a bath? I just put Maria at the beginning de la pregunta, ¿vale? María va a bañarse, okay? So how would I ask, is your mum going to get up? Tu madre va a levantarse, ¿vale? Okay, what about we are going to go to bed early? Now, go to bed is acostarse, so we're going to have with nos instead of the se, and early is temprano. Entonces, ¿cómo digo we are going to go to bed early? Vamos a acostarnos temprano. See? How about duchar? Because ducharse is to have a shower. Entonces, how would I say, are you two going to have a shower? With vosotros. How would I say that? Vais a ducharos, ¿vale? Y finalmente, they are going to go to bed. Do you remember go to bed? Acostarse. So, como digo, they are going to go to bed. Van a acostarse, ¿vale? Muy bien. If you want to make these sentences negative, just put no at the front. No van a acostarse. No voy a ducharme. No vas a ducharte. Bien. Y si quieres practicar, and of course you do, then recomiendo, si tienes Pasos, página 129, hay un email aquí. Y la idea is for you to look for all the verbs, todos los verbos que están en el presente y cambiarlos por el futuro con ir a. Some of them are reflexive, no todos. Don't make them all reflexive, just the ones that are reflexive. Okay, there's only a couple. Vuelve pronto. Come back soon porque vamos a estudiar el cine. Qué interesante. If you haven't already, por favor, click subscribe y click like. Y nos vemos muy pronto. Gracias y adiós. Well done. If you like that video, probablemente you'll like my video on how to use gustar with reflexive verbs, and then you can consolidate those estudios. Or you might like the whole Pasos course, curso, or you might like something a little bit more advanced. I want you to be one of those people who moves beyond Español for beginners and really gets la confianza to hablar español.